Yeah, we probably it's raining, maybe not.
You're like, yeah, we probably should.
I mean, we probably shouldn't go out there, but like, we might just go up anyway, type shit.
Some good content,
Say that one more time.
It's a good content.
Good content.
Good credit.
Good credit. Bro, wait, let's try to find a way in, Trust.
Good credit.
Let's try to find a way in. Your thing is...
It's upside down, bro.
It is? There we go. There we go, right?
Normal.
Am I holding it? Is that normal? Like this.
Yeah, I guess. Should we go in there?
We're allowed in. I'm slipping on the slide. You reckon we go to Spaniards Kebabs right now?
What?
Spaniards Kebabs?
Where?
In Melbourne.
Yep, let's go to Melbourne. This is so surreal, bro.
Yeah, Loki.
Like a lost footage.
You're checking yourself out in the mirror, bro.
I'm fixing my hair.
My hair's gone. Oh, is it? Oh, I thought that was an air horn, Loki. What is that? Oh, no, that is. Can we go in there? How isn't there any squatters in here, bro?
I'm not very camera,
Unisex shower.
I'm trying to pop out the cut. I'm trying to fish through the bush.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of fucking happening.
Bro, you can tell it's new. Look how fresh the bark looks. Right? Right? Am I right or am I right?
The bark. Yeah.
That's what I just said, man.
I know. I was just. This, yeah. Oh, this looks tough. See, I need a cap.
You need a, do it look tough? No way.
Call me going in for a second.
Yeah.
It's facing.
Oh, my fault. Bro, like, where are we now? Like, where the fuck are we? He's lost. What's going on? Shit, we're locked in. We have to lock in.
What the fuck?
What did you say, the vent?
Crawl in the vent.
Should I lock him in? They drinking water. I just scared me.
I crawled through. Wait. Oh, bro, I just crawled through that. That was a worker too.
Chill the freak out. I'm not in the way?
Yeah.
What?
Should have freaked out, yeah. Should have freaked out, yeah.
Danger? More like I'm the danger.
Should have freaked out, yeah. Should have freaked out, yeah. Chill
Danger? More like I'm the danger.
Should have freaked out, yeah.
Bro, stop jumping like that. You know I can't do that. You know I can't do that.
I clipped through the floor and I ended up here. I think this is where Juice WRLD filmed his music video.
Which one?
Back room.
But party by myself. Party by myself because I don't fuck with people. How many
Oh, the rain stopped.
get vandalized, bitch? Come back.
No, he's being taken away.
No,
No, he's being
no,
taken away.
no.
No, I'm
No.
trying to go. No, No, he's coming.
Pause.
Back. Red. Oh, it's on my face.
What? It's pretty much because like we're outside in it. We're outside in
We
it.
went to where?
Bro, we went to Woolworths. Woolworths. Bro, we went to this abandoned place and it was like creepy as fuck.
Well, it was. We died.
But we Lakey did die though.
Oh no.
No, we
Oh yes.
type shift, man.
I had to crawl through a vent.
Lakey, he did that. He,
We got stuck, so we had to crawl through a vent to get out.
Loki, he did though. I can't lie.
Yeah,
Chill.
low-key.
Chill.